Everyone, I'm going to try a new layout for our second half applied topics in technical operations management. So if you will, obviously it's not posted yet, but if you're seeing this, it is. It was late because I'm trying to create this. If you will go to the week one, I'm hopeful by the end of the week to have the rest of the weeks up too, so it's not a week by week like last semester. So if you click here for week one information, it will take you to this page. It says Applied OM. This is our weekly schedule. Here's the instructions. So here's kind of a bank or a key for what the colors indicate. Here's just a little my availability, our week one overview, which is the to-do list, and then our learning objectives. Here are the resources for this week. So instead of having like 5 different tabs that you can click on, you can click right here and it'll take you to that specific page. So for instance, if I click right here, it will take you to this page once I unlock it. And then if we scroll down here, you'll see the 2 assignments. Just like the key indicated, they have a star right there. So here's the activity and here's the discussion. This link will take you to the discussion board, and then I'll have a link down here that will take you to the assignment. So it's all in one place. There's not a click and go back or what's an assignment, what's a resource. It's all right here. You can also like jump around, so it's straight down to the assignments or back up to the overview. Everything you need to know should be right here in this overview. When you want to submit something, that's why these 2 are here. They have the same information, but obviously it's the actual assignment. So please reach out if you have any questions. We're going to learn this together. We're just trying to look for more attractive and engaging ways to help students be successful in our courses.